Brudu. The warriors. The Brudu are the eyes, ears, and shadows of the metaverse, tearing through the trenches by our side, helping us unveil the mysteries of the unknown. They defend the Alpha aliens with strength, courage, and valor, protecting everything the metaverse holds without hesitation. Their double pair of eyes represent the duality of having one foot in reality and one foot in the metaverse, seeing both worlds with perfect clarity. The geometric shapes blossom from their torsos and sprout outward from their minds, representing our ever-evolving imagination and how wielding it changes reality. In the end, the Brudu will give their lives for the Alpha aliens, leaving no stone unturned on the path from the metaverse to eternity.